was too long and we didn't make a rezo, so we're at our favorite place. Back again. Oh my god! IU! Hey girl! Yeah, you. Happy birthday!
For coming out. I appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you to my wonderful girlfriend. We need to tell my neighbors you guys
Let's see what we got. What we got?
Got some nice tacos right here.
Okay, okay.
Wow, recommended stuffed cheese.
Like I'm at a taqueria.
beat up your brother.
Yeah, he was like, come.
Are you shy? in SF. Russ is not here. He left. He's gonna backpack in Havasupai for the next 5 days, so I'm alone, but I'm going with our friends. Here is the plans. Oh, I have a blanket. I have some alcohol. Should be a fun day. Everyone, it's Malia. I feel like I've just been playing catch up ever since our Japan trip. I still feel like I'm playing catch up since my Europe trip, and I had the intention to vlog all of October, and that kind of fell through, and it's already the middle of October. So I'm going to attempt to vlog now up until the end of the month, because we are going to New York for Halloween weekend because Russ is running the New York Marathon. So I'm really excited for that, excited for him to finally run his first marathon. He's been working and training so hard ever since April, and I'm also very excited to go back to New York. I love that city. I want to move there so bad. But the last week has been kind of boring and lonely for me because Russ has been gone since Saturday. I think it's been like 5 or 6 days without him because he is backpacking Havasupai. He checked in with me and sent me some photos.
Hi. Hi, Baba. I missed you. Wish you were here. Yahoo! Hi again, baby.
And he looked like he was just having so much fun, so I'm happy he got to go because I know that's a very sought out backpacking trip. But because of that, I have been alone the past 6 days and I have been doing nothing. My chef is gone. I've had to cook for myself and I've been doing nothing except work out, edit, work some more. Honestly, I've kind of been locking in and get a grip on all the things I've been trying to catch up on. I was thinking to myself, wow, if I lived by myself, I probably would be getting so much more things that I need to do done because you're obviously not living with someone. But the downside to that is I'm not with Russell and he makes life so exciting. So even though I'm locking in, I do miss him, so I can't wait for him to come back tomorrow. And because my chef is gone, I have been cooking a lot, but I'm actually really proud of myself this week. I always joke that I don't cook, but I do. It's just that Russ is a little more skilled in the kitchen than me, but I'm really proud of my breakfast. I made some oatmeal. I've been eating a lot of oatmeal lately, and I made some caramelized bananas, and it has been upping my oatmeal game. I want to try stewed apples soon too, but I have no cinnamon. And then I also meal prepped one of my favorite snacks, Erewhon's Copycat Buffalo Cauliflower Bites. So that has been fun to eat. And then I just made a hard-boiled egg. Other than that, this year is flying by fast. I cannot believe it is already October and I can't wrap my head around all the things that I feel like I need to do. I still need to catch up on vlogs. I need to still up my Instagram and TikTok game. We have New York at the end of the month, and then it'll be a little quiet, thank God, because I'm so tired. We're going to be local for the holidays. And then we are going to spend New Year's in Cabo with our friends, my college friend group. So lots of things to look forward to. And on top of all that, just trying to, enjoy life, not stress about work, which I haven't. And on top of that, also making sure we dedicate time to hang out with our friends, hang out with our family, have time for ourselves to just wind down and brought, and it's just been a lot. It's been a crazy year, but a really fun year. I don't know why I'm being so reflective right now, because this is just going to be a video of me throwing a bunch of stuff together. But I think because all of my chit chats, there's always been something going on. It's always been Europe or Japan or backpacking or this and that. And I think finally, up until we go to New York, life will just slow down for a bit again, because I think as the years have gone by, I have been really just enjoying these like slow moments and the simple joys in daily life. We love a routine, even though I do fall into that trap still of having a packed schedule. But when I have periods like this where I can finally just like relax, focus on the things that I want to focus on, I cherish it. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I think it's cold now, and then I'm gonna work. Thanks for listening to me yap, as always. Let's go run. I already ran this morning, but I'm gonna run again. Good morning. Happy Friday. I'm whispering, so hopefully you can hear me, even though I'm in a room, but I am in the office today. A very rare occurrence for me. I think this is actually my first office visit of the year, but pretty much this was very last minute. I am doing a favor for another team. There is a candidate who's coming in today for a very important interview, so I'm just going to greet them real quick, giving them a tour. I honestly think it's only going to take me like an hour or so, but I came a little early because I do have a meeting. It is like in 3 minutes, so I'm going to eat my free food real quick. Also, I packed food because my coworker who I'm helping out said that they don't serve food on Fridays here anymore. And this is the Palo Alto office, by the way, not the San Francisco one, so it's a little smaller. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna pack food. So I made oatmeal and a hard-boiled egg and my cauliflower bites just for me to get a big ass plate. So I have 2 minutes till my meeting, so I'm gonna eat this and I'll try to show the office after all the things I need to do. I'm a little frazzled right now. Oh, and I should work.
like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth, it ain't that bad or good. Two girls and W's too. I'll be the last to start and the first to leave. Ooh, I'ma play the part convincingly. I got a lot on my mind, on my shit I'm way behind. But if you check my pages, I'm
not just slip away.
You think being smart was my hobby, acting dumb was my job. Being lazy is comfy, doing work is too much. Acting crazy is easy, and calming down ain't no fun. Now I'm finished, but you know I ain't done. Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth, it ain't that bad or good. Two girls and W's too. And I know we look perfect, looking from the outside. Cause my lady is lovely, but she ain't loving me right. It'll always be something in between her and I. It'll either be up under some guy. To paint the world is black and white, except for the green on the other side.
Alright, we're gonna end this vlog with some unboxing. And they're going to New York tomorrow for his
Marathon.
yay! Stay tuned for the new vlog right after this. But overall, it's been a great October. Let's open these smeeskis and one labubu.
Tell the truth.
Oh, I got the one. I want the hula hoop. Please.
Oh my gosh, she actually got it.
It's been 10 years. Hey, pretend you just finished. They're gonna put the medal around your neck. Who'd you run for?
For my family, for my country.
What country you representing?
For Laos.